This video will show you how to set up a guidance line on AutoGuide 3000 and then also lock on to auto steer. So the first thing that you're going to do, if you do not have your Wayline tab set up on your home screen, you're going to have to go into your wrench and then you're going to go to your Wayline. For this, I have my Wayline set up as my home screen, and that's what we recommend you do. So I'm going to go back to my home screen here. You can see I got my Wayline. I'm going to go ahead and press my Wayline icon. At this point, it's going to come up with the Wayline creation screen. At this point, you're going to have an arrow which will get you back. So that's going to be a back arrow. The next will be a pencil, which is edit. So if you had a previous line that you already had made, you want to maybe edit the name or edit the actual heading, you can do it that way. There's a plus, which adds a new, and then there's a folder. So if you did have an existing guideline you wanted to open up, you could use your folder to open up that previously made guideline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press new. So I want to create a new, and then you're going to be asked to name it. So you can either use the default name or name a line name. I'm going to name it main, because this is going to be my main line in the field. So I'm going to go ahead and clear it. Name my main line using my encoder on my C1000. Once you've got that, go ahead and hit your check to accept it, and then hit your check again to accept that line. Now it's going to ask you what type of line you're going to want to use. For this, I'm going to use an A plus heading, because I'm going to just be doing tillage. You see there's an A plus B, a contour, an A plus heading, and a pivot. So a contour would work really nice on like headlands or terrace ground, and then your A plus B would just be your straight A plus B heading, or A plus B line. So I'm going to use A plus heading. I'm going to select that, and then I want to use a 15 degrees. So I want to till at 15 degrees. You're going to use your scroller to scroll to 15 degrees. Alright, and then you're going to use your check to accept. Alright, now at this point what it's going to have me do is mark my A line. So I'm pulling my field, find the position at which I want to create my A point at. I'm going to hit my A, and then you can see that it comes up with your line. So now wherever I hit my A, it's going to draw 15 degrees. Now if I want to use an A plus B line, I'm going to go back in, select my Wayline, select new. I'm going to let the display name it, and then I'm going to choose A plus B. So you can also hit these icons on the right side. Those correspond with these icons. But I like using my encoder, so I'll use A plus B. I'm going to hit my A here. So I'm at my fence row. I want to hit my A. And now I'm going to go ahead and start driving. So now you can see I'm driving forward. The minimum distance you have to drive is 33 feet. You can see it counts up. So now I'm at 33 feet, I get my green check. Now I can go ahead and press my B. And now you can see that I get my guidance line. And this is what you want to look for. This icon needs to turn white. Now if I grab my steering wheel, you can see that it turns red. Alright, as soon as I let go of my steering wheel and everything's okay to go, I can go ahead and press my auto steer. And then you see it'll turn green. Now at this point I'm guiding on auto steer. Now at any point in time I can grab the wheel, kick my auto steer off, engage my auto steer, and then it's going to turn back in. That is how you create guidance lines on AutoGuide 3000.